Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories.
The last rites of legendary music director Shantanu Mahapatra was performed at Satyanagar Crematorium here Wednesday. As per the direction of Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, the music director was cremated with state honours by police personnel. Before he was cremated, Mahapatra's body was taken to the Bhubaneswar Kala Kendra so that people could pay their last respects. A large number of people, including those from the Odia film fraternity, visited the places to have a last glimpse of the legendary music director. Fans of the music director were also present in large numbers at the Kala Kendra. Chants of Shantanu Amar Rahe were heard at regular intervals. There were many who also talked about their association with the departed soul. Noted Odia movie star and Kendrapara BJD MP Anubhav Mahanti and his actress wife Varsha Priyadashini Tuesday appeared before the State Commission for Women SCW in connection with the marital discord they find themselves in. Earlier, Varsha had approached the Commission over the matrimonial dispute on 15th of December. Separate teams of vigilance sleuths simultaneously raided the houses of Police ASI Rabindranath Senapati Wednesday morning over charge of amassing assets disproportionate to his known sources of income. The raids are underway in Jagatsinghpur district and Bhubaneswar. Ecotourism is going to get a boost in Bhograi area of Baleswar. About 50 acres of forest land will be handed over to the Revenue Department so that various infrastructures will be developed along Talsai Udaipur beach. Defunct lift irrigation points have left the farming sector in mess in the industrial Anugal district. Farmers continue to suffer while no efforts are being made by the concerned departments to set things right in the large interests of the farmers, a report said. According to the report, over 200 lift irrigation points are lying unutilized for lack of electricity supply. Farmers in some areas have been struggling for water. The centre has decided to extend the suspension on flights to and from the UK till 7th January in the wake of the spread of the new fast-moving strain of the coronavirus mutant. Till Wednesday, the Union Health Ministry logged 20 cases in India of the variant. Initial decision on suspension was till 31st December. However, in the wake of samples increasing for the variant strain, a new decision was taken.
That's all for today. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for all the latest updates.